There are many ways to cope with hiccups. Some of them are more useful, while others, especially in the case of tedious hiccups, may not work at all. The most popular and probably the most effective home methods for dealing with hiccups include: Number 1. Inhalation of air into the lungs. Take a deep breath and hold your breath for as long as you can, normally about 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat if necessary. Number 2. Slow drinking of warm water or weak tea, preferably in small sips. Stress and anxiety can cause hiccups, which leads to Number 3. Rhythmic, quiet breathing, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth, and trying to calm down. Number 4. Chewing a crust of bread, preferably wholemeal flour. Number 5. Eating something sweet, such as a teaspoon of honey or granulated sugar. Number 6. Gulping down a glass of water in one breath. What is hiccups? Hiccup in most cases is a harmless, although an unpleasant physiological phenomenon. It manifests as involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, accompanied by a strange sound. The feeling is always unpleasant and annoying, but usually passes quickly and leaves no traces. What causes hiccups? Hiccups are the result of irritation of the nerve endings responsible for the functioning of the diaphragm, the vagus nerve, the phrenic nerve, and the sympathetic fibers or centers in the medulla that controls the respiratory muscles, especially the muscles of the diaphragm. This is usually a harmless symptom. It appears for many reasons, but after some time passes spontaneously. A short fleeting dysfunction is a frequent occurrence. It can happen in various situations and is not a threatening symptom. In itself, hiccups leave no trace of irritation. However, less frequent, persistent and prolonged hiccups can last more than 2 days. The worst possible option is a dysfunction that cannot be cured, and which can last up to a month and even longer. The longest recorded episode of idiopathic failure lasted more than 60 years. Hiccups occurred in a man aged 28 years and did not pass almost up until the end of his life. Attacks of hiccups resolved spontaneously after many years. An effective way to avoid hiccups is to normalize your lifestyle, slow down eating and drinking, take less food, preferably at regular times, relax, calm down, avoid stressful situations, and use a digestible diet. The hiccups of babies can be prevented by feeding the baby before they become very hungry and begin to eat quickly and greedily, swallowing a large amount of air, which contributes to the appearance of hiccups. It is necessary to provide the child with the most comfortable conditions during meals. Above all, peace and quiet, in order to avoid nervousness and stress. After feeding, the child should be placed in a more upright position, as this prevents the ingress of gas into the stomach.